our Bukas Center stood above the rest, for it is the first kind to be built from scratch and operationalized in time with the Bukas centers of our country. The initial talks and planning took place on March 1, 2024 with our HFEP and licensing team of the CHD and the Office of the 2nd District. This was followed by ocular visits with our Yusek Vergere, site clearing on March 15. The tireless people behind the scenes worked 24/7 to lay the foundations of this facility. Sabi nga ni Dr. Badwa, in 75 days. On April 1, we had our groundbreaking, which was held, and many of us were here to witness the promise of a facility that will bring health services closer to the people. And last March 31, we had a soft opening to test the grounds and the operations of this much-needed facility. Since then, the Bukas Center has served the people of the 2nd District of La Union and its nearby areas, providing healthcare services. We have almost 1,000 patients since the opening. This shows that despite being partially operational, the facility's commitment to serve and the area's need for this kind of facility. Today, as we open more of the facility's specialized areas like radiology section, dental clinic, the minor operating room, the delivery room, and the urgent and emergency room area, we look forward to accomplishing our goal of bringing our basic and specialized health services closer to the people. We at the CHD have also provided 24.1 million worth of equipment, which consists of portable X-ray, ultrasound, ECG machine, anesthesia machine, cardiac monitor, defibrillator, suction machine, OR table and light, delivery table, dental chair, wheelchairs, and health center package, and BHS package. So that's a total of 24.1 million. So lahat yun ay delivered na po. And so, in conclusion, let us celebrate this momentous occasion with joy and growth and gratitude, knowing that we are part of something truly special and transformative. Together, we can build a brighter future for all who walk through the doors of the Bukas Center. Thank you, and let us continue to make a positive impact to the world. Dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay ay mahalaga. Agyang manak.